So hey guys, I'm your friend Apu and I'm going to show you a neon face glow effect using pen tool in Photoshop. This is my first tutorial video, so without any time waste, let's get start the video. First we choose our image, then make a duplicate layer. After make duplicate layer, we remove the all pimple particles areas using spot healing brush tool. After remove the all pimples particles areas.
Unknown brain, Marvin Divine.
We use pen tool for make a triangle. After make a triangle, select right click and stroke path and select brush. Select brush size and flow and opacity 100 and 100. Fill it to brush. Use press Ctrl 3 and from your perspective you can warp it. Must have to erase the unnecessary areas. For your convenience, you can increase or decrease the brush sizes. After erase the unnecessary areas, right click on triangle layer and use outer glow and you choose color what you like. I choose pink and reddish color and you must have to erase the extraordinary effects color.
But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you flying, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced.
After erase the all extraordinary effects, you make a huge saturation layer and press Ctrl I and then flow 0.5 and paint it well. You have to see where you can draw well from your perspective.
Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for less.
And finally, you have to choose a way camera raw filter for your photo make greater. guys you like it, please like the video and do subscribe. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.